Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Dealers here to bring our daily market bias video for Wednesday, March 18th. It's approximately or pretty much exactly 6 a.m. on the East Coast. We're going to take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded lower with all the exchanges trading to negative, pretty much triple-digit territory, and the Indian Sensex is down by quadruple. So that gives you some idea in terms of what's going on in Asia. Europe is pretty much following the exact same suit, if you will. All the exchanges are down, and all of them are down by pretty much triple-digit territory. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollar is trading higher. The bonds, however, are trading lower. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all point to a lower open. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading lower. Now, in terms of economic news, we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets. At 8:30 a.m. we have building permits, housing starts. At 10:30 we have crude oil inventories. These are all major. These are all proven market movers. And all this being said, a bias is neutral. And the reason why we're suggesting a neutral bias is very simply because just about all the instruments that we track for market correlation purposes are trading lower. Crude is trading lower. Gold is trading lower. The indices themselves are pointing lower. The bonds are pointing lower. In fact, the only thing that's pointing higher is the U.S. dollar. In essence, basically, and we've said this repeatedly in the past, but just as a reminder, whenever you see everything pointing lower or pretty much everything pointing higher, there is no correlation. There cannot be any correlation, because it's like in the saying, all boats rising at the same time, or all boats lowering at the same time, and that's not realistic, if you will. So in essence, basically, our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. I'm not necessarily put off by the fact that the NASDAQ is down by 328 points. The Dow Jones Industrial Futures is down by 821 points. This doesn't mean very much today because, as we've seen over the last few weeks, these markets are fluctuating by thousands of points at a clip, either lower or higher. So it doesn't necessarily mean anything anymore. Hence, our rules of market correlation prevail. And right now, that is neutral. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.